Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have blender. Customer has given me to repair and customer said it's not working. Yeah, totally dead. Yeah, let's see. Turn it on. Yeah. So it's not working. Okay, before we open we have to see there is safety. See, there is safety switch. Yeah, so we will press the safety switch, then we will turn it on. Yeah, so it's normally it's not working. Yeah, it's not working. So we'll press the safety switch. Can you see? Yeah, this is a safety switch. Yeah, we'll press the safety switch. Yeah, we'll press, then we'll press the power button. Press 1 or 2. We'll press the switch. Its blender is working. So what is the problem? Problem is the jug. Yeah, customer he didn't give me jug. This is our jug. So I'll show you. In that jug there is lock. Yeah, to push the safety switch. Yeah, maybe that jug that maybe in that jug there's a safety pin. Pushing the safety pin, that lock has broken. Yeah, in that jug lock has broken, that's why it's not working. Yeah, so we have to modify it. We have to make it direct from inside, or we have another way also to make it modify. Yeah, because it's working, but if I give him like this also, he cannot use, because his jog has broken. Yeah, this lock has broken in his blender jog, so he cannot use. So let's see how to fix it.
So we remove the back cover.
Yeah, can you see? This is a safety switch. Yeah, so this cable and that cable, if you join, then will be okay. Yeah, only this. There is no other way to do. Yeah, we'll cut this cable, then we'll join. Yeah, this is in and this is out from safety switch. Yeah, so we'll make it direct, then it will work fine, because otherwise there is no way. Otherwise he has to change the jog, he has to buy new jog. Yeah, then now it will work fine. Yeah, so let's test it. It's on. So I have disconnect the safety switch, so from here inshallah it will work. Yeah, it's working fine. Thank you much for watching my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.